We have a beautiful 1977 Ford Thunderbird with a 351 that's been rebuilt and has only 20,000 miles on it. It's got Flowmaster exhaust, dual Flowmaster exhaust. So it's a beautiful car, available for a limited time on Craigslist in the Atlanta metro area. Give you a little better look here. Gorgeous car. Polar white. Looks like factory paint. When it's been this long, I don't want to guarantee anything, but it looks like factory paint to us. Got a nice gold or kind of a gold beige roof. Complimentary interior. Nice seats, no rips. Nice dash. We won't have it long. Atlanta metro area Craigslist. Thanks for watching.